we talk about anything we're doing today, we're doing salvage and overhaul, all these classes, right? Primary goal is life safety. What's our secondary? Property conservation. So it doesn't matter if it's someone's home or on the street. So what we're learning here and throughout the day is also how do we protect from other things besides fire, right? Water is a huge damage to anyone's home. Has anyone had like a water leak in their house? Yeah, it can damage things more than fire, right? So when we go in and we're doing our job as firefighters, we're not only making sure, yeah, the fire's not extending, but if we have to pull ceiling, making sure we throw salvage covers down, making sure that whatever they need out of that house, photos, family albums, any medications, things that they need, we're there to protect not only them, but all of their items as well. Not at the cost of us and our lives, but making sure we pull all that stuff out and cover it appropriately. With this kind of stuff, what are we protecting? The public, right? So what we have to do is make sure that we are not only protecting the public, but also making sure we're protecting ourselves. This is probably one of the more dangerous things you're gonna do. Why is that?
You're in the middle of the street.
You're in the middle of the street. So making sure that we have good situational awareness. As we say, we do the 360. We make sure no power lines. We have no other cars coming in our direction. So call for other resources, PD, East Bay Mud, whatever else we need to make that happen, okay?